to find square root of 2704 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now work on this second pair. Here take here number whose square will be equal to 27 or nearest to 27. Okay, if you take here 5, then 5 square equal to what? Look, 5 square equal to 25, which is nearest to 27. But if you take here 6, then 6 square equal to 36, which is greater than 26. So our guessing number 5 is correct. Same number will come to the quotient also. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, we are getting to bring down the next pair. Now you have placed here the digit 5, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Now you have to consider here a digit, and if you multiply this time this, and your answer, your product should be equal to this or nearest to this. Let me show you. Times this. Okay, if you take here 2, then 2 times 102, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 204. That if you place here 2, then 2 times 102, 204. 2 times 102, 204. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 52. To check the answer, we have placed here the digit 2, so same digit will come under this divisor and we need to add 4, 0, 1. The double of 52 is 104. So this is the confirmation of your answer. So the square root of 2704 by long division method is 52.